Imagine living in a home that feels luxurious, stylish, and cozy, without spending a fortune. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing budget-friendly small house transformation. We'll start with a simple base structure and use smart DIY modifications to turn it into a stunning, modern space. And of course, we're adding greenery to create a fresh and inviting vibe. Stick around to see the full reveal, you won't believe the transformation. Text overlay, budget-friendly luxury small house, subscribe for more DIY ideas. Let's start with what we have. This is a simple, affordable small house, perfect as a starting point. It's compact, functional, and cost-effective, but it lacks character and that premium feel we all want in a home. The goal of this transformation is to give it a high-end look while keeping it budget-friendly. We'll focus on 3 key areas: exterior upgrades, interior design, and adding greenery. By the end of this video, you'll see how small changes can make a big difference. Asterisk. First impressions matter. So, let's start with the exterior. A simple coat of high-quality paint can change the entire look of a house. We're choosing neutral tones like light gray with white trims, modern, elegant, and timeless. To add texture and a luxury feel, we're installing wooden or stone-textured panels near the entrance. These small details make a big impact. The entrance door is another major upgrade. We're replacing the plain door with a sleek, modern wooden door with glass panels to allow natural light in. And let's not forget about lighting. Wall-mounted LED lights will enhance the exterior, making the house look premium at night while also improving security. With these upgrades, the house already looks like a modern retreat, but we're just getting started. Asterisk. Now, let's step inside and start transforming the interior. One of the biggest challenges in small houses is space optimization. So, instead of bulky furniture, we're going for multifunctional pieces. 1. Floors. Instead of expensive tiles, we're installing vinyl wood planks. They're affordable, easy to install, and look high-end. 2. Walls. We're using self-adhesive wallpaper with a marble or wooden finish to create a luxurious backdrop without spending too much. 3. Lighting. To give the space a warm and inviting feel, we're using LED strip lights under shelves and behind the TV unit. Lighting makes a huge difference in creating a luxury ambience. 4. Storage hacks. In a small house, storage is key. We're adding floating shelves, wall-mounted racks, and hidden storage under the sofa to maximize space. Now, let's talk about the lounge area, where comfort meets style. We're using a minimalist yet cozy approach, with a soft L-shaped sofa, a compact coffee table, and some decorative elements like cushions and rugs to add warmth. Everything is designed to feel modern and stylish without going over budget. No luxury home is complete without greenery. Adding plants instantly makes any space feel fresh, vibrant, and high-end. For indoors, we're adding heavy checkmark potted plants in stylish ceramic pots for a clean look. Heavy checkmark a vertical garden on one accent wall, it looks amazing and saves space. Heavy checkmark hanging planters near windows to bring nature inside. Now, let's move to the outdoor lounge area. Since this house is compact, we're making the most of the small patio by adding heavy checkmark a wooden deck, a simple DIY that makes a huge difference. Heavy checkmark outdoor seating with cozy cushions. Heavy checkmark string lights to create a relaxing evening ambience. With these final touches, this small house now looks like a luxurious retreat, without the luxury price tag. Asterisk. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the final reveal. Let's take a look at the transformation from a plain, basic structure to a stunning, luxury-style small house. Every modification, from the exterior upgrades to the cozy interior, lighting, and greenery, has made this house feel premium, stylish, and welcoming. So, what was the total cost of this transformation? Here's a rough breakdown. Heavy checkmark paint and exterior upgrades, $500. Heavy checkmark flooring and wall treatments, $700. Heavy checkmark lighting and fixtures, $300. Heavy checkmark furniture and storage hacks, $800. Heavy checkmark greenery and outdoor lounge, $400. Heavy checkmark DIY effort, priceless. Total cost: around $2,700, which is way less than buying a pre-built luxury-style home. And the best part? It's customized exactly to personal style. Asterisk. This transformation proves that with creativity, smart choices, and a little DIY effort, you can achieve a luxurious look on a budget. What do you think about this home makeover? Would you try these DIY ideas in your own space? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more amazing home transformation ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Asterisk.